I remember the first time when I traveled with you to Bidibidi, she brought along Lego pieces to explain her ideas of how the shelter would work. All our staff got really excited about the whole concept and the idea. One major difference that set this project apart is the idea of using one materials for everything from bottom up, from foundation to wall and to the roof.
We came to Zone 5, Bidibidi Refugee Settlement in the district to implement a project of ETH, of this kind of structure, of prototype, using these interlocking stabilized soil blocks backed from a subsoil called maram, mixed up with some sand and cement. The structure here is durable, long-lasting compared to the other grass-thatched houses in the community. So in the terms of temperature, it's a bit more cooled than the iron-roofed houses in the community.
Constructing such a project, like this project, it can take short period of time. Since blocks we are just arranging them, no iron roofs, iron sheets needed for roofing, no timbers, it is just blocks.
When you estimate the people in the settlement here, every family does have a hut at home where they do sleep in. That hut consists lots of pieces of trees which are being cut during the construction. But according to the environment protection, when we are to go this kind of structures, there is no need of cutting even a single tree during the process.
I worked with this organization. We built this house. The house before I was staying in a grass house, but right now this one is too cold and even you cannot feel hotness on it. This is the better house I ever had before.
In practice, we find out it's more complicated and difficult. We ended up using other materials to compensate for things that brick alone cannot do, especially when it comes to openings or, with the roofs, how the bricks are stacked.
Blocks, the walling. These blocks, according to me, in the process of assembling, they need to be modified separate. For the roofing, and then for the walling. It's not stable.
Okay.
It slopes down. So, which means this middle interlock in the roofing, they should do neglected in this format. For it to sit well during the process of roofing without sloping down.
So this idea of using compressed earth block from foundation to the roof, it is amazing. We just need to do some improvement in the architecture and then we find permanent solution of sealing the roofs.
It does have a very steep learning curve, just because there are multiple pieces that needs to be made, and you have to have special molds in order to make those pieces.
If there is access for ETH and the HYD to collaborate together to provide some machines, the community, to get the youth being trained on the process of making blocks, it would be good for the community to adopt the system of construction.
I think there's potential of building using only what's locally available, which mainly is earth, and made a whole shelter out of it.